So today in this video, we are going to see about the abstract classes in Java. So abstract class is nothing but which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class. So if in normal programs, we will be using public class method, but here we are using instead of public, we can use abstract. That is a keyword to mention the abstract class. So what is abstraction? It is nothing but the process of hiding the implementation details and showing only the functionality to the user. That is, for example, when we are considering sending a message to the user, we do normally type the message and click the send button, but we don't know what is the mechanism that is behind sending the message to the user. Correct? So this process is known as abstraction. So how we can achieve this abstraction is we have two methods to achieve this abstraction. First one is using this abstract class. Second one is using the interface. Clear? So when we are using this abstract class, we have to consider some points to be remembered. That is, it should be declared only with the keyword abstract. If the method abstract is to be used, we have to mention the keyword abstract. Okay. And it can have the abstract or non-abstract methods. Okay. And also it should be having the constructors and the multiple methods can be implemented in it. Okay. So these are the points to be noted. For example, bike is an abstract class. Okay. What we can do is we can that will be containing only the abstract method to run the program. For example, Honda Clad has given us a program mentioning this abstract class and they have implemented a program. Now let's see the program. Let me open the notepad. So what is the first thing if we are doing a normal program means what we'll type? We'll be typing public class, right? So here what we have to do is we have to type abstract class bike. So in this, I'm just mentioning abstract void function. Clear? So next class, here I'm considering Honda for extends bike. Void run function so what it is supposed to print is system dot out dot println running safely. So this was a program implemented by the Honda 4 company for this experiment. I'm just closing the loops. Now I'm assigning the public static void main function. String args. So bike is the object equal to new or new Honda 4. Object dot run. So this is the basic program that was implemented by the Honda 4 company using this abstract class. So what they have did is for testing each and every Honda bike, they are using this abstract method. So once it is implementation is done, that is, if the condition is becoming true, it will just print the output as running safely. So this is a method called abstract class. Instead of public class, we will be using the abstract class. So here whatever the methods that they are running backside, that is running internally, will not be shown to the users. Whatever it is mandatory, only it will be shown to the users. Clear? So hope you're clear with the abstract classes in Java. In the next video, we'll see how we are implementing using the interface method. Thank you. Have a nice day.